Before you pass, you pay 15 naira. Before you can cross the road, you pay 15 naira. Wow, that's fine. Nkpolu East-West Road in Port Harcourt. Now those who could not pay the 15 naira are forced to walk by the water. This is absolutely no road, no go area for them. Yeah, you pay 50 naira before you. This is East-West Road by Nkpolu, Port Harcourt. The area is totally barricaded due to the flood. It's a very pathetic situation. Both the federal and state government is doing nothing about it. It's a pathetic situation in this area. Vehicles cannot pass, and even those walking cannot pass. A bad situation. Very pathetic situation. This is Nkpolu Junction, East-West Road, Port Harcourt. Pathetic situation. This is supposed to be the road leading to Nkpolu community, but as you can see, there is nothing anybody can do to pass here. Nothing. I think people say the problem here is because no drainage, and the only place where this water settles before now has been blocked, totally blocked. People need both the state government and the federal government to do something about this road. Yes, the situation here is very pathetic. This is True Blue Reporters live at Nkpolu Junction by the East-West Road, River State.